Hello and welcome. I'm Chris Shelton,
And I'm Parisa Shelton.
coming to you with your DIY home remedies guide to health, happiness, and healing transformations. Today what I thought we would present together with my lovely wife Parisa is 5 Qigong tips that you can do quickly anywhere to help to reduce stress. All right, so what is the first one?
The first one is going to be a conscious breath. So simply, all you have to do is literally breathe in through your nose and out through the nose. And try that a few times as you inhale long and slow. And exhaling, letting something go, connecting with the breath and allowing for the thoughts to dissipate.
Well, that's great. And did you know that by taking a conscious breath, it's impossible for you to think of anything else? So if your mind is busy going, that's why tip number 1 is starting off with a conscious breath, because with that long inhalation and exhalation, it's impossible for your mind to think of anything else other than that breath. So it starts off with one conscious breath and then it builds from there.
I can already feel myself more relaxed.
Great. All right, so the next practice that's really good to help to calm you down is just pausing, going outside, connecting with nature, or if you can't go outside, just finding a spot somewhere else inside the house, especially if there's something stressful going on inside your home, and pulling down the heavens. Now, connecting with your higher power, whatever that looks like, or if you don't believe in higher power, that's okay. You could just imagine this white light coming in and calming the body. So as you inhale, grabbing towards the heavens or towards the sky, as you exhale, just allow for this energy to flow through the body and down deep into the ground. Now, today we're going to do 3 of them, but sometimes you may have to do multiple pulling down the heavens to really feel yourself become more centered and more calm around a situation.
That's nice. The next exercise is called shaking the tree or shaking it off. And it's literally what the movement is literally what the name sounds like. So you're going to start at your fingertips, and then like a wave, you're going to ripple up and shake it off deep into the ground. Use your imagination, breathe in and exhale. Imagine your troubles, your stress rolling right off the body and down into the ground. Try that again, deep breath in and shake it off. How about 2 more times? Inhale. And exhale, letting go, and 1 more time, shake it off.
Well, that feels great. Okay, the next one is the heart healing exercise or the heart healing sound, which is the ha sound. So if you're feeling overwhelmed about something, feeling very emotional about something, worked up about something, I want you to breathe into the heart. Imagine a pink cloud filling up into the heart, and as you exhale, you're going to make the ha sound, like laughing, and allow for that feeling to leave out the mouth like a dark cloud, going several feet away from the body and down deep into the ground. So I'm going to inhale. Again, inhale. Again, inhale. And if you're in public around other people, you can always do the sound underneath your breath. We're going to do a couple. Inhale. Again. Okay, there you go. Now what's the 5th one?
Ooh, feeling relaxed there. The 5th practice for stress relief or stress reduction is the white pearl meditation. So you're going to place your hands just below the belly button and then close the eyes or take a soft, unfocused gaze. As you bring your focus to your lower energy sphere, the lower dantian, imagine a white mystical pearl. And as you inhale, the pearl expands, growing brighter and lighter. And then as you exhale, the pearl dissipates and fills up the kidneys as if to recharge and replenish. Try that again. Inhale, expand the pearl, expand the breath, filling up your belly and your body, finger to foot, head to toe, front to back, left to right. And as you exhale, feel the energy from the breath and the pearl recharge and replenish. And again, inhale long and slow, expanding the breath, expanding the belly, filling up your body, this time filling up the space around you. And then exhale and pull that vital energy into your lower energy sphere. Coming out of your head and into your body. And again, inhale, expand the pearl, expand the breath, filling your body, the space around you, and this time traveling as far and wide as the mind will go.
Wow.
And as you exhale, feel that sense of ease, the relief, feeling better than before. Coming back into the room, back into your body, flutter the eyes open, curling the corners of the mouth upwards into a smile, and let's pull down heavens 3 times. Inhale. And exhale, knowing that you have contained within you the power to shift and to shape your reality. One more time. Ooh, feel better already. How about you?
Great. All right, so there you go. So 5 tips to help with stress reduction that you could take with you anywhere. And trust me, if you practice these, you don't have to spend a lot of time with it, but just those 5 exercises, spend 5 or 10 minutes at the most if you want, or you can spend longer, but 5 or 10 minutes and you'll see that you'll shift that feeling sensation and help to reduce the stress. And once again, that stress is what creates inflammation inside the body. So wrapping it up from a beautiful day in Los Angeles, California, the heart of Hollywood, with your DIY home remedies guide to health, happiness, and healing transformations. And until next time, we will chi you later.